Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today, I always start out, today. Anyway, what we're doing today is the A note on the guitar. On the first string, it's the 5th fret, and we're going to be using our pinky. All right, those of you that have the Mel Bay book, this is on page 21. Those of you that don't have a Mel Bay book, the A might not appear just yet. Okay? Just follow along the natural writings of the book that you're using. And again, any questions with that, please contact me. All right, assuming, okay, with the Mel Bay book, A. Let's take a look at where it is on the guitar. So our neck, all right, 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pinky. And there it is. All right, the way the A looks, all right, on the staff, you see it's above the staff with, to remember what the name of that is, ledger line. Okay, again, this, your top line's F, the space would be G, and the first line, A. Okay, this is just a reminder how to get to the note. All right, when you're playing, just you reach for it. It's okay to take a peek and look down. All right, so let's do that with the pick. It's a little bit loud. Okay, there's a tune in the Mel Bay book called Minor Melody, which it utilizes the A. Right, it's in 3/4 time. I'm going to play first line for you. All right, then you're on your own after that. Metronome, set it at 50. Give ourselves, in this case, a 3 count. 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that was the first line. You heard that we reached for the A. All right, the pinky might get a little bit, a little bit sore, but again, hand position is everything. You'll see it'll go really well for you. All right. Further down on the same page, you have the notes of the guitar in the first position. I believe I went over that in my last video. All right, but again, you have a piece down there at the bottom of page 21 called Hitting All 6. What that is, it's just something that goes through. It'll go through all the notes that you know on the 6 strings as of today. Okay, again, when you're playing it, make sure you use the metronome. All right, now, any questions on that, please, let me know. Okay? Just a little update on some things. All right, we're going to be very, very shortly, we're going to be putting out, for those that are playing a little bit more, we're going to be putting out the blues module. All right, so keep your eyes peeled for that. All right, now, if you like what's going on, you know the deal with the thumbs up. All right, please subscribe, because then you'll get the information. You'll be the first to get it. And it helps all around, because we're, again, thank you for the people that have the, that have been supporting me. Now, naturally, we have one other thing to say. Okay, we have, I'm looking for it, that I wrote it down. Let me just pull it up here. For those that are already playing and have the knowledge, that you're on the 6 strings, you might want to look into the link I have below that says Amazon.com recorder songbooks. The recorder, that's that little instrument. It's a piece of wood, like has some holes in it. What's good with this is that all the tunes, not only are they popular, there's about 40 or 50 tunes in this book, and it's about $10 US. All right, and I think you could get an ebook, and I think that's $5 or $6, okay, US. What's great with this book, it's all single notes, pretty much what you've been doing in the Mel Bay book or whatever method book. It's a book like that has all single notes, and it has the chord symbols on the top. But importantly, it's popular tunes, tunes that you're going to know. All right. Any questions with that? Fire away, just let me know. But it's a book, you don't have to get it. All I'm saying is you might want to take a look at that link below. It'll show you the contents, the table of contents of the book. It's something you might want to have, and you could be playing all these things with single notes and stuff like that. It's going to help your reading. It's going to help your coordination. Naturally, you have to use the metronome with it. That's not the book says so, but I just think it's a good idea. All right. And again, you contact me. I'm here to support you. All right. Any questions? Usually, I'm not going to go over the thing with the thumbs. You know that deal by now. All right. Until the next time, keep talking, keep playing, and let's just learn this guitar through the roof, man. All right. Thank you very much.